The earth hides secrets. Rocks split with surgical precision, rivers blaze in colors no artist can paint, and silent lights hover in the dark with no known cause. These aren't myths, they're real. We're counting down 10 of the most mysterious natural wonders on the planet. Number 10. Bermuda Triangle. Between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico stretches a swath of ocean sailors speak of in a hushed tone. The Bermuda Triangle. On the surface, it seems like any part of the Atlantic. Endless, calm, deceptively serene. Yet beneath lies a realm of disappearances. Ships vanish without a trace, planes disappear mid-flight, pilots never sending a distress signal. Compasses swing wildly, instruments fail, and sudden storms erupt from clear skies as if summoned. Scientists speculate on magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, methane gas eruptions, even time distortions. Yet every search mission ends with emptiness. No wreckage, no survivors. Waves crash softly, yet the horizon feels infinite, daunting. Sailors whisper of the vanished, and the triangle continues to haunt imaginations. Number 9. Al-Nasla Rock Formation, Saudi Arabia. In the desolate sands of Taima Oasis stands Al-Nasla, a sandstone boulder split in perfect symmetry, as if cleaved by an invisible hand. Each half rests delicately on small pedestals, the cup between them razor straight, unnervingly precise. No tool marks, no traces of human intervention, only stillness and sand. The gap between the stones catches the desert wind, which whistles through like a voice from another age, carrying the sense of a forgotten civilization. Some claim ancient humans may have carved it, but no known tools could produce such a seamless divide. Standing near the boulder, you feel the weight of time and silence. The desert stretches infinitely in every direction, amplifying the rock's presence, making it seem simultaneously monumental and fragile. A quiet enigma waiting for anyone bold enough to interpret its secrets. If Al-Nasla gave you chills, like and subscribe, because the next wonders hide secrets that science can't explain and might leave you questioning reality itself. Number 8. Cano Cristales, Colombia. Hidden in Colombia's Serranía de la Macarena, Cano Cristales is a river that comes alive for only a few weeks a year. For most months it appears shallow, rocky, unremarkable. Then the rare plant Macarena clavigira blooms beneath the surface, painting the water in fiery bands of red, yellow, green, blue, and black. The effect is so vivid it seems almost supernatural, as though the water itself is alive. Scientists study it, but the plant thrives here, nowhere else on Earth. Mist rises from the surrounding forest in the mornings, blurring the edges between river and sky, enhancing the sense of enchantment. Local folklore calls it the River of Five Colors, or Liquid Rainbow, warning that seeing it is like stepping into a realm where nature bends reality. Number 7. Eternal Flame Falls, New York, USA. Deep within western New York's forested hills, a waterfall trickles gently over moss-covered stones. But behind the veil of water burns a flame that refuses to die. Natural gas seeps from fissures beneath the falls, yet the flow is too weak, too scattered to sustain a fire. Still, the flame flickers defiantly, even when the wind roars or the cascade tries to drown it. Step closer. Mist clings to your skin, water pounds your ears, and there it is, dancing, stubborn, almost playful in the midst of the cascade. Sunlight breaks through the canopy, catching the tiny fire and making it glimmer like a jewel within the rushing water. Scientists cannot fully explain why it persists. Some suggest a unique chemical reaction. Others hint at deeper subterranean anomalies. Number 6. Pyramid of Cuculclo, Mexico City, Mexico. At the outskirts of Mexico City lies the buried pyramid of Cuculco, a ruin lost beneath volcanic ash for centuries. Its discovery stunned archaeologists, a massive circular pyramid unlike any other in Mesoamerica. Built over 2,000 years ago, long before the Aztecs or Mayas, its creator remains unknown. Stones aligned with celestial events, suggesting an understanding of astronomy far ahead of their time. The pyramid rises silently from beneath the soil, circular walls curving against the horizon. shadows shifting as the sun moves across the sky. Dust rises when the wind blows, revealing hints of buried structures that whisper of lives long gone. There's an aura of abandonment, yet an unmistakable mastery, as though the people who built it were guided by forces lost to history. Standing here, the earth feels older, and human memory seems fragile in comparison. We've seen 5 wonders and we've barely scratched the surface. Like this video to help us keep chasing the impossible, and subscribe, because what's coming next will rewrite what you think Earth is capable of. Number 5. Barabar Caves, India. Hidden in the Bihar granite hills, the Barabar Caves are among the oldest rock-cut structures in India, carved over 2,200 years ago. From the outside, they are plain, almost unremarkable, but entering feels like crossing a threshold into another world. Walls glisten, polished like glass, perfectly curved, seamless, and unnervingly smooth. Even with modern tools, replicating such precision in granite would be a monumental feat. The temperature is cooler than outside, the air tinged with earthy mineral scent, lending the caves an almost sacred stillness. Historians attribute them to the Maurya Empire, but records say little of their creation or purpose. The design is simply beyond human understanding, a deliberate manipulation of space and sound. Number 4. Skellige Michael, Ireland. Rising from the Atlantic off Ireland's western coast, Skellige Michael is a jagged rock spire that pierces storm-lashed waves. On its cliffs, perch stone monasteries built by 6th century monks who endured freezing winds, scarce water, and perilous steppes for isolation and devotion. Beehive-shaped huts cling to cliffs, their stones hauled laboriously from below, surviving more than 1,400 years against relentless elements. The air smells of salt, seaweed, and damp stone, sharp and invigorating. Visitors cannot help but feel the weight of time. Each step seems to bring them closer to a past unreachable by modern life. Some speak of divine calling, others hint at ancient secrets hidden in the rock. Number 3. Kawah Ijen, Indonesia. High in East Java's mountains, Kawah Ijen hides a surreal turquoise crater lake, the largest acidic lake on Earth. By day, the lake appears calm, almost serene, reflecting the surrounding ridges. But at night, the scene transforms. Sulfuric gases escape from fissures and ignite, producing ethereal electric blue flames that snake down the crater slopes. These flames are not lava but burning sulfur gas, a phenomenon almost unseen anywhere else on the planet. Miners work tirelessly in toxic conditions, carrying sulfur chunks while inhaling air that stings and burns. Number 2. Lost City of the Kalahari, Southern Africa. For over a century, explorers have whispered of a lost city buried deep beneath Kalahari sands. Early 20th century reports describe massive stone archways, broad avenues, and partially buried walls. Return expeditions found only scattered fragments, too deliberate to be natural, yet too sparse to reconstruct. The shifting desert hides all evidence. Dunes rise and fall, erasing footprints and reshaping landscapes. Was the city real? Did the desert swallow it? Or does something more mysterious guard its location? Locals speak cautiously of the place, warning outsiders that the desert does not surrender its secrets easily. Standing atop the dunes at sunset, the orange light stretches endlessly, and the wind whispers across sands like a muted voice. Number 1. Hessdalen Lights, Norway. In a remote Norwegian valley, strange lights pierce the night sky. Hessdalen lights drift, hover, dart, or remain suspended for hours, glowing white, yellow, or blue with the intensity rivaling car headlights. They appear without pattern or warning, vanishing as sudden as they arrive. Scientists have monitored them for decades, deploying cameras, radars, and sensors, yet their origin remains elusive. They are not aircraft, nor do they fit conventional natural phenomena. Observers often describe a sense of presence, as if the lights are aware, moving in response to human observation. The surrounding valley, silent and snow-dusted in winter, amplifies their spectral glow. So which of these baffling wonders blew your mind the most? Drop your pick in the comments below, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Until then.